As the sun rises over the ocean, the waves gently lap against the shore. Walking barefoot on the sandy beach, I feel the cool waves brushing against my feet. It's a serene start to the day here in beautiful Bali. Exploring a cliffside beach with turquoise waters, I dip my toes into the refreshing water. Transitioning to lying on a beach towel, I gaze up at the swaying palm trees. The tranquility of this place is simply unmatched. Venturing into a bustling Balinese market, I'm surrounded by vibrant colors and enticing aromas. Navigating through the stalls, I pick up exotic fruits, smell the rich spices, and watch artisans meticulously working on their crafts. It's a sensory feast that captures the essence of Bali. Ah, the flavors of Bali. Here we are at a traditional Balinese eatery. Look at that steaming plate of nasi goreng, just waiting to be savored. A quick dip into the spicy sambal, and oh, let's not forget the refreshing sip of freshly cracked coconut water. The aroma, the vibrant garnishes, it's a feast for the senses. Now, let's take a moment to breathe in the beauty of Bali's landscapes. We're walking along a lush rice terrace during the golden hour. The sun casts a warm glow, and as we gently touch the rice plants, we can hear the soothing sounds of nature all around us. It's pure tranquility. Next, we find ourselves at the majestic Uluwatu temple, perched dramatically on a cliff with the ocean roaring below. As we walk into the temple area, we can't help but admire the intricate carvings. Oh, and look, a traditional dance is in progress. It's a beautiful blend of art, history, and spirituality. And now, we come to a serene close. The sun sets on the beach, casting silhouettes of people enjoying the view. We sit down on the soft sand, and as the camera pans out, we take in the vast, breathtaking horizon. It's a perfect end to our journey in Bali.